Having you back on the Coin Surreys channel is a pleasure. I am bursting at the seams to tell you about the absolutely astounding thing that I have found here today. It is either completely incorrect or this guy is trying to mislead a lot of people, particularly in the XRP community and on exam. When he utterly lacks comprehension, it becomes unbearable. All I want to do is fill you in on the current situation by telling you what's true, what's occurring, and what's coming up. All I ask is that you appreciate the video and share it with others if you enjoy learning about XRP and other fantastic digital assets. I just found this and it's absolutely wild to me. Share the truth about this digital revolution with other people. You all know that I would rather not name drop or single out any one individual, but I will speak out against reports that are totally based on nothing more than speculation. This person has issued the following remark to prepare the XRP community for what's to come. Stellar dropped more than 80%. It was the pinnacle of success after the launch of the AMFM, as this individual went on to explain. The AMM has the potential to bring XRP's price down to 10 to 11 cents, a precipitous 80% drop. To start, with Bitcoin, the sky's the limit. I'm not saying there's no chance this will happen, but I'll be the first to confess that the chances are incredibly slim. On top of that, it may be purposely deceptive to have a detrimental impact on the community, or it could be completely false due to the speaker's lack of knowledge in the field. We must carefully examine the data that we gather. On top of that, I despise naming names, but I have faith that you can identify this person if you really try. When we look at the precise timing of its introduction, November 3, 2021, will be proven as the actual date when the AMM of Stellas went live. Have you heard that before? Could that be a significant date? Reason being, that is the exact moment when, according to market history, we went from a highly bullish market and bull run to a complete reversal into a bear market. Sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but the price action following the AMM had absolutely no impact on Stellar's price. Either that or this guy is intentionally spreading incorrect information. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into the real market situation. Here are the numbers for the 10-day total since the establishment of the IBIT ETF BlackRock CTF. We experienced a little sell-off this weekend, which is expected given that most market activity on weekends is retail trading. The majority of the money usually comes in during business days. Reasonable, wouldn't you agree? As a whole, 49,724 Bitcoin, BTC, were bought in the 10 days that span January 11 through January 25. The sum total for the subsequent 10 days was 32,564. For the next 10 days, we had 47,715,000, and on the second to last day, we had 65,753. Another thing that happened in the last 10 days is that 230,622 Bitcoin, or 34,638 Bitcoin BTC, were bought. But you know what? Less than 1 day from now, on Monday, the purchasing frenzy is scheduled to begin anew. Even though Bitcoin hit a new high far more quickly than most of us anticipated, I still keep seeing false reports that the market is ready to enter a bearish phase. A Bitcoin halving does, however, precedes sell-offs and minor pullbacks. It is common for prices to briefly retrace after a halving, before continuing to new highs before being blasted off of them. Looking at the data, it appears like a big bull run is coming later this year, but I believe that pricing action in the real off-season will begin in 2025. This could be because a number of central bank governors and the chief of supervisors at the Bank of International Settlements have backed the worldwide prudential standard for banks' exposure to crypto assets, BIS. In addition, January 1, 2025 has been selected by the committee as the date for the standard's implementation. That is to say, massive purchases of cryptocurrency by central banks will commence at that point. In addition to its excellent relationships with numerous organizations, Ripple's tight ties to banks allow it to use XRPL with its native coin, XRP. Even though I have faith in the future, it saddens me to watch false narratives spread. Their deceit is reminiscent of BlackRock's previous false claims that the investment firm was uninterested in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Now they're totally playing one side against the other. For instance, Jamie Dimon has come out strongly against Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. but we all know what they're really up to. At that point, the video shuts off. Please subscribe to my channel and give my video a like once you've finished. Finally, goodbye is coming up soon.